Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Easy Bite Cooking. Today I go another quick and easy recipe for you guys. So today's recipe is a kala chana. It's black chickpeas. It's called as well. So they already cooked and ready to eat. So you can use the uncooked one as well, but it's a time consuming. If you have enough time, you can use the uncooked one and then cook yourself. Otherwise, if you don't have much time, so this is the second option. So I'm going to use this one. It's quick and easy. So you need 2 tin of kala chana, 240 gram without water and 400 gram with the water. I'm going to open them and drain them first, yeah, and show you guys what I need for to cook those kala chana today. Also, I need 2 medium size of aloo, the potatoes, 1 heaped tablespoon of garlic, 1 heaped tablespoon of ginger, and few green chilies. Is your option how much you want. You want less or more is your choice. The 2 cooking spoon of oil. It's 1, 2, and 3. So 3 cooking spoon of oil. Cup of crispy fried onions. They already cooked. They even save you more time. Keep it a little bit less than half cup. You don't have to be a full half cup. Put on a saute mode. Give it a little bit of stir to make sure oil got into the onions. I'm going to add the whole spices. Which one is it? Like few cinnamon sticks. It was 6-7 of cloves and 1 black cardamom. The 1 whole teaspoon of jeera, whole jeera, or half teaspoon of the powdered coriander, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, haldi, 1.5 teaspoon of the red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 2 teaspoon of salt. You can add more salt if you want, but don't add too much in one go, okay? It's easy to add on, but hard to take out. So just going to add 2 full teaspoon of salt. Mix them well. Garlic, ginger, green chili. Just break them from the middle with your hands, or just leave a hole if you like. 6 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Mix them together. Just give it a few minutes without adding any water. After adding yogurt, just give it a good stir for a couple of minutes. Make sure it don't burn because the onions already cooked. Now I'm going to add water. I need at least 4 cups of water or 1 full boiled kettle water. Always use a boiled kettle water. Don't use it from the tap, cold water or hot water. The reason using warm water is don't break the rhythm of the bubbles. I mean, it don't slow down the process of the cooking of the food. So always add a hot. Now I'm going to add 4 cups of water, like 1 full hot kettle boiled kettle water. I want a little bit liquidy. If you don't want a liquidy, just add a 2 cups of water. But I want a liquidy. I want to eat with the rice or a naan and give you a good texture. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. At this point, you check your salt because I already added 2 teaspoons. So because I added a cup of water, so I'm going to put 1 more. It is a little bit less salt, so I need 1 more teaspoon, full teaspoon of salt. So your choice. You can add more or less. Is your choice. Kala chana, black chickpeas, they really have a good health effect. So if you didn't keep in your regular diet, they're really good for your health. They really benefit. You can eat it without cooking, dry like that. Say ready to eat. You know, cooked and ready to eat. Or I'm going to add it two same time. Yeah, after adding the kala chana, black chickpeas, just give them a good stir and wait for it to start bubbling again. Here you guys, it start bubbling now. We're roughly about 5 minutes. Start bubbling now. So far, it's just 20 minutes altogether. So far, is a prep time. Is prep time always take longer. Cooking time is very quick, but prep time is a little bit longer. So I add another 20 minutes saute. I don't need the full 20 minutes. So it start bubbling now. I'm going to add it potatoes. I diced the potatoes. I'm going to add in now, and when it start bubbling, I'm going to put a lid on the pressure cooker. Here we go. Just wait, you guys, 2 minutes after it start bubbling. So far, all the process take me about 22 minutes. So I'm going to put a lid on. And seal the air. And I'm going to wait a few minutes until that silver thing comes out. It's still on a saute system. I'm going to wait up to 3 minutes. So do not leave saute system more than 3 minutes because it could be dangerous. So I'm going to wait. It's not going to take long because a lot of water there. So if that thing comes out within 3 minutes, that's fine. If it's no, I'm going to cancel the saute system and I'm going to start different system after that. It only took 30 seconds because there was a lot of water in there, so heat up very quickly. So cancel, and I'm going to use vegetable mode, press vegetable, and start. It roughly take about 5 minutes to cook the vegetable. See you guys after 5 minutes. Welcome back, guys. It's 5 minutes, so I'm going to release the steam from inside. Use something long so you don't burn your hands. That silver thing goes, all the gas is released. So it's safe to open, but make sure don't touch the silver part. It's going to be extremely hot. Just use the black part. Okay, so I'm going to open it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh, look, mashallah, a beautiful curry ready. All I need about, I'm going to redo it. I'm going to cancel the cooking procedure, and I'm going to do saute again. Here we go. Start. Only I need to just blend in together like for 2-3 minutes. Once it start bubbling and blend together, and I'll dish out. I'll see you guys after I dish out my recipe. There we go, guys. My beautiful kala chana, black chickpeas and aloo curry recipe ready. Taste is beautiful. Check your salt before you serve. It's like medium heat. So if you want a more spicy, add more spices. If you want a less spicy, just add less spices. But this taste is mashallah beautiful, perfect to eat. You can eat it with the rice or naan breads. You know, you can, if you don't want much liquidy, just add less water. So try my recipe, share with your friends and families, and if you have anything to say, leave a comments, like my video, share my video, and see you guys in my next upload recipe, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.